QED Technologies, our QFlex machines are integrated with software designed to deliver the flexibility needed for a wide range of precision optics applications. Let's take a closer look at the different software modes and how they can help you achieve the best results for various aperture shapes and surface geometries. First, let's start with the standard modes. Raster mode is ideal for non-round aperture shapes like planos and cylinders. Rotational mode is best for round aperture shapes like plano, sphere, and A-spheres. These modes form the foundation of QFlex polishing and are perfect for common optical geometries. But what about more complex shapes? This is the benefit of having raster freeform. Not only can you polish spheres and A-spheres, you can do toric, off-axis A-sphere, and even freeform surfaces. So if you can polish all these surfaces with a raster toolpath, why do you need a rotational freeform mode? Because it offers these advantages and benefits. It reduces edge effects, it's great for larger diameter parts and parts with a higher numerical aperture, and is especially effective at smoothing diamond turning marks or correcting rotationally symmetric figure errors. Finally, let's talk about productivity. QED also offers raster and rotational variable plunge modes. These modes allow a larger spot to be used across most of the part, while switching to a smaller spot where it's beneficial, such as near the edge. This gives you full control over how the spot size can vary, combining efficiency and precision where it matters most. As you can see, each software mode has unique strengths depending on the optic and application. In general, raster modes allow polishing of a broader range of geometries, including non-round optics like A-spheres and freeforms. These modes are especially effective at correcting mid-spatial frequency errors with minimal material removal. Rotational modes can be used with any round optics including flats, spheres, and A-spheres. They can achieve higher removal rates thanks to no turnarounds, resulting in faster cycle times, and they're ideal for smoothing single-point diamond turning marks. With QFlex software, you're not limited to just one polishing approach. Whether it's standard, freeform, or variable plunge, each mode is designed to give you maximum control, efficiency, and flexibility to take on any optical challenge.